it's Maria and I take a part in pilot project. So I will cook. Oh my god, it never ends with something good. I'm going to cook pasta, and of course you think it's too easy to cook it. Not really. The first thing that I do, I fill. The first thing I do, I fill the pot with water. So it looks like that. The water is not up to the brim. And next I put the pot on the fire. Now I'm waiting for water to boil. It's plus minus 10 minutes. And after that I put some oil into water. Why? I will say later. Oh my god. Okay, water is boiling and I can switch on the fire. I burnt my finger. I'm not really friend with fire. Another thing that I should do, put one big spoon of salt. Like that. And put some oil. I put oil into 1 spoon. And into water. 1. While I feel like my camera is moving. What a... Okay, and another 1 spoon. Again. 2nd spoon. So should looks like that. I mix it and put again on the fire. I did it so the pasta wouldn't stick together. Fill the pot with pasta. Oh, first of all I should open it. Like that. And oh no. It's so... No. Okay, stir it. And wait plus minus again 10 minutes. And after that, test the pasta. By the way, while we are waiting 10 minutes, we need to stir it once in 3 minutes, I think. Okay, I taste it carefully. That. My mother says it's good. Drain into a colander. Put it back into the pot. Okay, they stick together. Put 2 spoons of oil was a bad advice. Some butter, cats, dogs, and put it into a bowl. pot. Yeah, I'm with a knife try to put the butter into pot. Yes. Stir it. If you want, put cheese too. So our pasta is done and we can eat it. Then I can say nothing. I'm too hungry to say something smart. So if you like the video, tell me that you like it. Or not tell. That's your choice. Good day, good night, good evening, and eat pasta.